DJ Fatxo'S legal team nĩ yarĩkia kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri kũgerera DJ Fatxo'S official social media pages na gũkorwo makĩruta mwerekera na DJ Fatxo mũthenya wa ira thutha wa gũkorwo akĩinterogetwo nĩ DCI maabithaa a DCI arĩa marakorirwo makĩkinya kũrĩa aikaraga kũrĩa Redwood apartment. DJ Fatxo nĩarakorirwo akĩarĩria press no ndanakorwo akĩaria mũno. He had a brief interview na rĩu mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ legal team yake nĩ yakorwo ĩkĩaria between yesterday and today. Gũtirĩ mũndũ ũkoretwo akĩaria, DJ Fatxo ndarĩtie na neither has his legal team. No rĩu legal team yake nĩ yakorwo ĩkĩrekereria this post here. Na oho Kuumbûra nĩ mawakiri marĩkũ mararepresent DJ Fatxo. Now this is what they have shared makiuga alert with the legal team representing DJ Fatxo, led by Counsel Ndegwa Njirũ, Mr. Ndegwa Mwangi and Mr. Gĩcigo, wish to invite the media fraternity for a press conference regarding the circumstances surrounding the sad demise of Jeff Mwathi, Sunday 12th March 2023 at 11 a.m. venue Greensport Gardens. DJ Fatxo's legal team makiuga atĩ mũthenya wa rũciũ arĩ Sunday 12th March at 11 a.m. nĩ magakorwo makihold a press conference, na this will be their first ever press conference ever since this story came to light. Na magakiuga atĩ the agenda of the press conference will be them addressing the circumstances kana kwarĩrĩria the circumstances surrounding the sad demise of Jeff Mwathi. Arĩ alert yakorwo ĩkĩrekererio nĩ the legal team ya DJ Fatxo. Na rĩu a Kenya na arũmĩrĩri na mafans arĩa marakoretwo metereire mũno kuona kana DJ Fatxo nĩ ekwaria, magakiuga they are eagerly waiting for this. Ama magikiuga no mende gũkĩigua side ya DJ Fatxo, his side of the story, na magakĩhoka nĩ agakorwo ho in this press conference area, as they say will be held tomorrow Sunday 12th March at 11 a.m. Greensport Gardens. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.